In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate anything with n8n AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank canvas to a working automation using the built-in AI assistant with clear prompts and confident choices. Start on your n8n dashboard at the Overview tab. In the top right, click Create Workflow to begin. This opens a brand new workflow editor. Think of this editor as your automation canvas. This is where nodes, triggers, and connections will appear as the AI builds out your flow. At this point, you can either add the first step manually or let n8n help by choosing Build with AI. For this tutorial, click Build with AI. When you do, a chat pane slides in on the right side. This is your conversation space with n8n's AI, and it's where you'll describe what you want your automation to accomplish. Type your prompt clearly and specifically. Describe your goal, the trigger that should kick things off, the tools or services you plan to use, and what a successful outcome looks like. For example, you might say you want to watch a specific inbox for new messages, summarize the content, and send a formatted update somewhere. The more concrete your instructions, the better the AI can structure the workflow. You can also mention timing needs, filters, or key fields you care about so the assistant understands your priorities. Once you submit your prompt, n8n AI starts drafting the workflow and will ask follow-up questions in the chat. Expect helpful choices, like which trigger to use, how to handle data, or what to do in certain edge cases. Read the options, select what matches your intent, and provide any missing details. If something doesn't look right, say so. Simple clarifications like use a time-based trigger instead, or only include items that match this condition, will guide the AI to adjust the plan. As you confirm options, you'll see the workflow structure come together in the editor. Continue responding with the necessary information until everything aligns with your goal. If the first draft isn't perfect, refine your prompt or answer the AI's questions with more context. Small adjustments, like clarifying which fields to map or how to format outputs, can make a big difference in the final result. That's it. From the Overview tab, create a workflow, choose Build with AI, describe what you want, answer the assistant's questions, and let n8n assemble the pieces. In just a few minutes, you'll have an AI-generated automation up and running, tailored to your exact needs.